Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Chevy Cruze, and on this Chevy Cruze I'm going to show you where you find your VIN numbers. We've got 3 different locations of VIN numbers on here. Sometimes there's VIN numbers on your door panels, fenders, you name it, but we have 3 main ones on here. So first one is you open up your driver's door, and right here on the A pillar we have the number 1 VIN placard. Right, we have the who's made the vehicle, and then the VIN number right here, and what class of the vehicle it is. Right, and so from there, we have our second one, which is the one that's the one here that is inside the bottom of the windshield, and so you find that VIN number there also to compare with the other one. And then this one we have a third one. It's very easy to find, and that is over in the glove box, and so we'll go over there. So over here on the passenger side, inside the glove box, or the we have a VIN. Well, we have a little placard in here that has a bunch of information, but it also has the VIN code on there also. It's a bunch of information for your vehicle and any information you may need for parts on this vehicle. So that's your locations for your 3 VIN codes on this Chevy Cruze. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.